My name is Chef Antonio Mecheri. It's fall in the wine country and the temperatures are getting a little bit on the colder side nowadays. So tonight for the menu we're gonna have a butternut squash from scratch, and we're gonna yank it here and we're gonna cook it. There we go. So split it in half, salt it and pepper it, and put it in the oven at 375 degrees for about give and take an hour. With our butternut squash soup, we're gonna sample this mysterious cab, lot 42 I guess, 416. It was just dropped off here for me. So I'm gonna let you know. And as you have noticed, this vintage has no label. So basically, I love the mystery. This bottle originated from a place called Hillsburg in California, northern San Francisco, the wine country, and not too far from a location called Dry Creek. And here really where it came from. Good old Rodney Strong right there. Let's sample this baby here. Look at these legs on this thing. I can't see that much, but I'm assuming this is about at least a 13.5 alcohol volume. Those are Bordeaux glasses. So maybe we can see something here. The thicker you see those stripes coming down, the thicker they are, that means the more alcohol there is in this. Salud. Very well balanced. The bricks, when the winemaker made this one, I have no idea what it was, but I can't even tell because there's no label, so I won't be able to tell you, but I think it's hitting 14.5 here. And it's well balanced wine, let's put it this way. We need to chop some onions and also some garlic right there. Good to go. So make sure you roast your garlic also in an aluminum pepper. Put some extra virgin olive oil and voila. And let it go. And forget about it right there. Okay, so you poke through and nice. It's ready to go. Okay, take the skin off your butternut. We're gonna saute our vegetables. So I'm putting a little bit of butter and with some extra virgin olive oil. And the reason I'm doing this is the olive oil can burn very, very quick. So the butter will tam it down a little bit. Okay, just like the yank. Now we got some heat here in our Dutch oven. Alright. Our roasted garlic, we just gotta take the skin out and it's ready to go into marmite. Right off. See? Like that. Right off. A little color and caramelized. We're gonna proceed to add your roasted garlic and a little bit of ginger. There we go. Let's deglaze with a little bit of white vino. Add your homemade chicken stock made from scratch. And here goes. Raise the temperature a little bit too high and let it come to boil. Boiling, add your roasted butternut squash to the Dutch oven. Stir in and just let simmer for about a few minutes. And make sure you reduce the heat to low. Now get your immersion blender and start blending. You want to puree this. Now it's all nicely blended. You want to add some coconut cream. You can add whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, but coconut cream is healthier. We do have a can here. Now a little touch of ghee to bring everything together. Give it that nice silky glossy look. You may want a little kick in it, a little bit of cayenne maybe. Pepper. And there will be no butternut squash soup without the almighty nutmeg. Oh yeah. There we go. And taste as you go. Let me taste. Oh my God, to die for. Grazie mille. And to finish this one up, you gotta be a little bit daring. So a little bit of herb de Provence, some sumac, believe it or not, just a tad, right there. It's a berry. There we go. And some good old creme fraiche. Look at this. Olive oil would make everything come together. There we go. You heard it, right? Okay, wait. It's getting cold outside. It's gonna be perfect. Happy fall 2022, October from Hillsburg, Northern California. Okay, let's bake this. Oh yeah. Try it with the vino. It's divine. Cheers. Bon appetit. Happy fall. See you very soon. Chef Antonio Mecheri, Hillsburg, Sonoma County, California. Ciao bellos.